Hey guys, it's Corey from Corey Survival. Today I'm going to be showing you a piece, like a package I got in the mail a few days ago. I am actually just getting to opening it. I've been really busy at work and stuff, so this package is from Stephen Bodie Ford over at Hike and Deep. I filled in for a giveaway, and I had a good friend of mine, Creative Redundancy, CR. He also put in for it, and he won the giveaway, but he wanted to forward it to me. So this is the package. Let's see what's inside. Let me know if you guys liked that little intro I just posted. Hike and Deep actually made me a few samples of thumbnails and stuff I could use, and he felt that it looked a little bit more professional actually to use like this thumbnail. So I loved it. I loved the color that was into it. I loved the border, everything, just everything about it. So I'm gonna use it from now on, and I'm just gonna give credit to Hike and Deep for making that for me. I appreciate it. You've done so much for my channel. So if you guys don't know who Hike and Deep is, definitely check him out. He's a great guy. Definitely a good guy you guys should get to know. So thank you. Woo. All right.
What's that? What's that?
Take some stickers. Hold on. I want to see this. So it says Elk Ridge on there. Take a look at it here. Feels pretty heavy duty. This is the hobo knife. Ooh.
I like it.
Yeah, this is going right in my backpack. Nice, nice. Even has like a little bottle opener right here, so I can open a beer. And then, oh my god! Hold on, let me put these down. See if it's easier to lift it up. I have no fingernails. There we go. Ooh, that's a nice blade. Awesome. And I do see some other stuff. Oh, it does. Whoa, it comes apart. That's cool. So see, it comes apart. Individual pieces here. That's cool. Let me just figure out. I'll put it back together later. I'll figure it out. Alright, so let's see what else is in here. We got 2 stickers. So my cats kind of got to the package a little bit. I mean, you can see a few holes here and here. So yeah, there's holes around the border, like the white border, but they didn't touch any of the actual black like artwork. So I'm just gonna take a pair of scissors and cut the white border out. Easy fix. But yeah, I didn't have any time to get to the package. My job was just getting really busy. So yeah. Thanks, Hike and Deep. I appreciate it. Your giveaway is very fun. It's definitely very cool to watch your videos. You're very interesting and very funny when you come into my live streams. And I also want to give a thanks to Creative Redundancy, CR, for forwarding this giveaway to me. This is actually my first giveaway. So you guys are awesome. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. Leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you guys. I post a lot of outdoor videos like kind of like this. Like camping, hiking, outdoor survival, fishing, anything outdoors. So if you guys like that type of thing, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you guys a part of my community. And as always, keep living, keep fishing, and I'll see you guys in my next video.